And you can literally grow 300 tomatoes in 10 feet. I know to a lot of you say, oh, Mr. Addison, that's impossible. It is for you. But torpedo pot is a self-growing planter that grows all your food for you. And what I'm trying to tell you is that you don't have to go out, work in the ground, and labor anymore. You put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You're wasting a lot of time trying to be Mr. or Mrs. Garden. I want you to look around at all the garden shows that you see. If you don't see anything like this, I need you to think twice about what you're walking into. Because most of your gardens, they start out as dead. They don't produce enough food and they end up as dead. And then you go out of business. See, with torpedo pot, what it does, you have a food growing system that grows all of your food for you. And you get some of the best looking tomatoes and fruit in the world. We just harvested over 1,000 peppers. We just harvested over 70 heads of corn. This is torpedo pot. These are self-growing planters. And trust me, they look and taste delicious. I love my food. Let's take a look at it, see what it looks like. I like looking at food. Let's take, you ready? Let's take a look at that. Oh man, that looks so juicy. Well, it looks so good. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Whoa, all that original stuff. Wow, isn't that delicious? Absolutely stunning, right? Life, nature, all of this works together for you. And so you see the rosy color that you see? That's a natural turning of the tomato. That's a natural turning. All right, that's when the colors naturally start to fold over. But we grow a lot of food. And so what I want you to do is to get a torpedo pot and stop trying to be a gardening professional. And learn to grow food or grow plants that are healthy and strong. We grow thousands of petunias. We grow thousands of squash flowers and we sell them all over the world. It's a delicacy. Because in one torpedo pot you can have hundreds of squash flowers. And you just ship them out. But with this right here, we're going to turn it into a nice pesto sauce. And we're going to really bite into this. I waited a long time for this. John Raskin, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.